Cotton. Construction. Throw measures 50 by 60, 100% cotton. Quality in the details. Old-fashioned look with a modern twist with decorative fringe for the perfect finish that won't unravel in the wash. Fits the rustic, vintage, or distressed look. This throw has a very chic and trendy look. Throw over a couch or chair to add a splash of color and provide warmth on a cold night. Versatile. Use DIY throw blankets to stay warm, as a decor piece, over a chair or couch, to wrap housewarming gifts, as a picnic blanket, when camping, and more. Care instructions. Machine wash colors separately. Wash in cold water, gentle cycle, tumble dry low, low iron. Top reviews from the United States. Lovely, thick, natural. I was coordinating picnic accessories to use this summer. I had been considering how to put together a picnic basket et al. for quite some time. The pandemic forced the need for more creative ways to spend time with only those I can trust to use social distancing and other methods to stay safe, and so I began to search for a blanket to coordinate with the basket I plan to use. This blanket turned out to be a perfect match. The weight was substantial enough to use on the grass. The size was big enough for the two of us to sit comfortably. I was able to unpack my large picnic basket and have plenty of room to spread the feast. The blanket has a soft hand and comfortable surface. The style could easily fit into decor that is shabby chic to sophisticated. The off-white natural colors in the rustic weave helped create the relaxed ambiance I had hoped to enjoy. My guest was impressed with the overall look and feel of the setting. The blanket was just the anchor that was needed to tie together the woven grass basket, the palm leaf bowls, plates, linen napkins, and bamboo mats flatware. People who walked by commented on how beautiful the whole layout was. For sure, I made the right choice when I purchased this blanket. It is sturdy, hefty yet lightweight. I look forward to many summer picnics in the future using this beautiful blanket.